Hey yo guys, replicate these things to your store from the successful Shopify brands and also stay till the end to take away the bonus. So let's start. So hello guys, today we're going to do another Shopify store review and store's name is Fashion Nova. Previously we did colourpop.com's review, and if you have not seen that video, click here. So let's move on to the fashionnova.com. Fashion Nova is mainly women's apparel brand, and recently they have launched Fashion Nova Men also, which is for men's apparel. So let's move on to the website and let me make it mobile preview. So this is the mobile preview, and as soon as I enter the website, they have this flashing announcement bar saying free shipping over $75. And let me check if they all take me to the same page or not. Okay, so as you can see, both the clicks has taken us to the same page. So it is just a regular flashing announcement bar, and as soon as I enter the website, I can observe that they have this 80% off sale going on here, which is big and catches someone's eyes. And moving down, they have this scarcity also. This looks like real scarcity, not a fake scarcity, but we don't really know for sure that if it's real or not. But they have put the timer on their front page, which is something different from other dropshipping stores. Moving down, they have these collections, different types of collections, and as we move down, they have this $10 and under collection also. So in case if you're here just to window shop, you will decide to buy something for cheap. And moving down, they have different sorts of collections. And as we move down, they have their social proof going on here, which tells that they have 14 plus million followers on their Instagram, and they're even giving an incentive to use this Noah Babe and get featured here on their website homepage. At the bottom, they have their footer. They have a lot of quick links here, and at the bottom of the footer they have this currency converter. So I am just quickly going to go to any one product and just going to analyze it. Let's do this Kylie Jenner one. So as you guys can see, the social proof is really high. They are paying these influencers to click their photos. This is Kylie Jenner with a lot of following. So they have their in action, that is models wearing these. As you guys can see, the product images are really high quality, which is important for the viewers. Let's move down. They have their simple easy to access variants here, colors here, and this is the sales countdown timer, which is, I think it is in sync with the home page. They have these reasons. So guys, as you can see that instead of the spammy checkout badge which says PayPal and all that, they have their own custom add to cart badge, and it pretty much tells 3 reasons to buy from them, which is fast shipping, easy returns, and 24/7 customer services. Now they have their product features. So as you can see guys, that the Fashion Nova is letting consumers see only what they want. If they want to see the shipping information, they can expand it from the plus button, and they are being honest about the shipping at the same time. And these tabs really help making product description short and being honest at the same time. As we move down, they have more upsells here written as suggested add-ons. And at the bottom, they have reviews here. Pretty good reviews. 22,000 have given them 5 star, and the buyers are verified also. And then they have the footer of the website again, the regular footer. So one thing to note at the product page was that they have high quality images. They have in action images, that is the product being used. They have easy user interface. They have scarcity. As soon as I refresh this, let me do it. So now as you guys can see, this is working like perfect again. They have the reasons to buy from. They have short and sweet product description. They have their upsells going on here, which increases their average order value. This was their product page. So let's move on to their cart page and then the checkout page. So they are having a slide cart option here. They have this checkout button and express checkout buttons below this. So let's move on to the checkout page. Okay, so they seem to be using the pirate conversion checkout hack, and they are again being honest here. They will be sending us emails. The bluish tint to the boxes, see, and the bluish button adds trust to the page because the blue color is for trust. And at the bottom they have reasons again. So I'm going to quickly put in my address and move further to the shipping. So on a $35 product, they are charging shipping to be $15, and they are being honest that it will take 5 to 10 business days, which is important. Regular people mostly think of the regular days, but the delivery days are business days, so they are being honest here. So let's move to the continue payment. Fashion Nova is also rocking this progress bar over here, which lets the consumer see that they will be following only 3-step process, which makes the checkout more easier. So I guess this is it for their checkout. Now I'm going to move on to their Facebook page. So they have their Facebook in the footer. Let's go into it. So on the Facebook page, they are having this moving video as a cover, which catch the eyes. And guys, you all can see they have 2 million people following them. Really huge social proof. They are posting regularly, as you can see. 5 hours ago they have posted, 6 hours ago they have posted, 7 hours ago. So they are really active on this page, which builds trust. Also they are promoting their sale here, the 80% off is so. And let's move on to the info and ads. They are advertising from this page, advertising to tier 1 and some custom countries, or maybe the e-packet country. So we're into the info and ads section of Fashion Nova, and we can see their ads here. As you guys can see that most of them are video ads. They are promoting their credibility, that they are America's #1 ultra fashion brand. They are giving us their discount right here in the ad copy. They're putting offer here also, and they're testing carousel ads also, that which product gets the most engagement, and they're gonna maybe test that separately, or maybe, you know. So the product at the first is usually the one which is usually getting the most engagement. So here this black shapewear is getting the most engagement, building this huge credibility. They are telling that this product is worn by Kylie also, Kylie Jenner, another video. And so most of them are videos. The page was created in 2011, so they have been into this game for a long, and no doubt that they are killing it, really making millions of millions every single month, no doubt. So now we're going to run the e-commerce inspector onto their website. So they have this 1/30 release here, and the apps they are using are AdRoll for Shopify, Visual Web Optimizer. They are using the Bolts app also, are really good average order value boosters. You guys must try it. I would recommend you guys to try quantity breaks from the Bolt. Really increases the average order value. They are using Hotjar also, and A/B testing, Visual Web Optimizer also, and Klaviyo also for email marketing. Okay, so I want to see their analytics, and I can see that in the IPMS. So they are on average getting 75,000 visitors every day. It means that they must be firing a lot of ads, which we just saw on their info and ads section. So on an average, I guess they must be spending $1,000 or $3,000 every single day or more on their ads. So the hosting company is Shopify, which tells that they are Shopify store owners. Fashion Nova is really a huge brand. Alright guys, thanks a lot for staying till the end. So you're going to get a bonus of this video. I'm going to show you the email sequences of Fashion Nova, which I have subscribed to some days ago. So as you guys can see that they have been sending us a lot of email messages. So what now I'm going to do, just going to open any one of these. From here we can tell that they are using emojis in almost every single email subjects. So we're into the email of the Fashion Nova, and as you can see that they are promoting this 30% off sale here, best selling jeans. It's maybe the winner of their store, the one with the Kylie Jenner. Some visuals, some in action images. Influencers are really rocking their product. So on the end of their email they have this moving GIF image which says 80% off, really catches the eyes. And then they have their social platforms, which is good for their social proof also. And they are directly linking their Instagram page here, which is at the bottom. They are clearly stating the unsubscribe links and terms and conditions. They are clearly stating the terms and conditions here. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, if you learned something new from this video, or maybe something, just be sure to hit the like and tell me which websites you would want me to analyze, to make videos on, and I'll make them. Thanks a lot for watching again. Do subscribe if you have not, and press the bell icon so that you get the store analysis the moment they are uploaded here. Thank you very much for watching once again. Bye bye.